My name is Nick Bielli. I'm the Director of Banquets at Chateau Elan Winery and Resort in Brazelton, Georgia. As Banquet Director, I coordinate all of our labor. I oversee the setup and the teardown of all the function spaces, basically liaise with culinary departments, sales department, liaise also with the events department just to ensure flush execution of any and all types of events on the property. I used MityLite at 2 other properties where I worked. I've inherited the inventory here, and we've actually made orders since I've been director, so we keep stocking up on it. We had a group that was honestly too big for our inventory, so we had to emergency order some linenless tables, and here we go. So, yeah, it's been great. I mean, that's, again, I inherited the inventory here, but a lot of it came in once I became the director. It had been ordered, but it all got here. Everything showed up when it was supposed to show up. We didn't have any damaged items or anything like that. And there was no lag time between, say, the carts and the tables. Everything got here at once. So it was a pretty smooth process, I would have to say. There's not a function we haven't been able to execute because there's a consistency to them. There's there's a reliability. It's all very durable stuff that wears well. With the scope of products that are available, there's something to accomplish any kind of goal you're trying to achieve. You want it to look good, you want it to wear, you want it, multiple uses. I mean, I would just say go for it. In my mind, it's the go-to. I've had to use other brands for some other things at other properties, and it's fallen short. It's usually like, here's a comparable thing for maybe a hair less expensive, but it's like, I mean, we know what we're buying. I would always recommend it.